Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from Apple Pay to Avalanche in under 5 minutes. Now to start, you're going to want to go to Genius Wallet on the Apple or Google Play stores or TradeGenius.com. Once you're there, you're going to create your account, and this will take seconds, and you can use Google or Apple. From there, you're going to click Deposit, you're going to select Apple Pay here, and you can put up to $500 per weekend without any sort of KYC. We're going to put in $30. We're going to click Next. It's going to open up this modal. You'll put your phone number and basic info in and click Buy with Apple Pay. And in just a few minutes, that Solana will show up in your wallet. From there, you're going to click Swap and swap that Solana to Core and then Avalanche. You're going to select the amount that you want to swap in and swipe away. And in just a few seconds, you will have Avalanche in your wallet. So in this tutorial, just to break it down again really quickly, we went from Apple Pay to Solana. So we spent the $30 and unramped onto Solana. After that, we swapped that Solana to Avalanche, and now we have Avalanche in our wallet. Now, something that's important to mention is TradeGenius.com is self-custodial. So you always have full autonomy over your funds, and you can export your private keys at any moment and move those funds to another wallet or to another service. It's also important to mention that Genius supports many different chains and many different networks with any token. So if you want to swap Solana, Avalanche, Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, it doesn't matter. We support it all. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.